In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to increase volume in OBS Studio. So go to your OBS Studio and here you see this audio mixer section. In your OBS Studio, if you don't see this audio mixer section, then click on Docs and here you get audio mixer. Make sure it's checked. Now under audio mixer, here you get all of your added audios. Now, for example, I want to increase this media source volume. So under media source, we can see the volume slider. So just increase this volume slider just like this to increase this media source volume. If you want to increase more volume, then just click on this three dot under the media source. Click on advanced audio properties. And here we can see the volume. So we have to enable percentage for volume. So check volume box and here we can see the percentage. Now just find the audio option you want to increase volume. In my case, media source. Now just go ahead and increase the volume. You can increase to 150% to 200%. That's how you'll be able to increase the volume. And another way to add volume, increase volume, just again click on this three dot under the audio and click on filters. Click on add filter, select here. Sorry for my mistake. We have to come to this section audio video filters and then click on this plus icon. And here select gain. And once the gain filter added, you can just increase this gain value to make your sound more perfect. So go ahead and adjust the gain dB to boost your volume further and then click on close. That's it for now.